This is Charlie's Trains. We have 3 trains going around at the same time. Got one just went through the bridge. One coming out here. One's ready to go into the tunnel. Everything's looking good. Here goes that train again. Here goes the one going through the train bridge. And we got the 8-wheeler here smoking, pulling a boxcar with Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer with the nose blinking off and on. And everybody who's watching these videos, like on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, if you would, could you please subscribe to me at YouTube, Charlie's Trains, possibly yes. Then it's $91.69. I appreciate it. Thank you. And I hope everybody's enjoying this video, and I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you.